Hi guys, what is going on? I don't know how these vlogs are gonna work out. If I'm gonna bleed one vlog into another or if I'm going to just end it at the days. This is so interesting. Oh, not really anything down there, but. So last night was a lot of fun. We got lit, we got turned up. It was amazing. We're actually going to Veggie Grill today because you know me, I love Veggie Grill so much. So a few of us are gonna head down. So it's really cool living. Oh, it sucks, it's only for 3 days. But we're like living like in downtown Hollywood. I guess it's downtown Hollywood, I don't even know. But it's so cool because like, I don't know, we're like right in the middle of everything. Although last year, the house, I loved it so much, it was amazing. It like was in the hills, which was amazing, but like, we're actually in it, you know what I mean? So it's like, so it's really cool. Yeah. Guys, we just got the Veggie Grill. Oh my god, it's so amazing, I love this place so much. So I just got my food and it looks amazing. I usually get the crab cake sandwich with the sub the side for the mac and cheese, and it's so bomb. Oh my god, look at this. And then in a second this will all be gone. And bam, just like that. Oh my god, that was amazing. Finally, I'm so hot right now. You know what would be a really cool idea on YouTube? This is something I've actually kind of always wanted to do, is go to a bunch of different like coffee shops in LA and review them and make a video about them. Yeah. That'd be so cool. Yeah. And do like a map thing and like where you could like go to LA and then like show it in the map. That's a good idea, guys. No one steal that idea, please. But we're at this coffee shop right now. This is some lavender coffee. It's really good. Texting one of my friends Wyatt, and he's actually like, oh, I should come to the Grove or wherever someday to hang out. So yeah, making plans to my friend Wyatt. So maybe we'll hang out, go to the Grove, and have lunch. So that. So yeah. Guys, here's the Supreme store. Oh, it's locked. Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm here with Wyatt. We met up a little bit ago. He picked me up, and then we're just chilling at the Grove.
We're at the Grove.
At the Grove, just hanging out. Wait, we gotta do this way because the lighting is up.
What's up, everyone? I hope all of you are having a great day. I'm here with Chris.
Yes.
What's your name again?
Yeah, you point the camera at me.
I'm used to a DSLR, bro. I'm used to DSLR. All right, dude, I hate my hair. That's okay, though.
Oh my god.
We're gonna be walking around the Grove. Anyway, so we're gonna go get some food. I'm super hungry. Say something.
So good. Yeah.
You love it by yourself.
Guys, if you guys want to do something in life, just do it. Yeah. I mean, look at this girl. She's eating popcorn.
Hey, guys.
Hey, what do you have to say? Oh, is that milkshake good? No? Can I have a sip of it? Yeah.
So we're just talking about like.
We're talking about how to be a better vlogger.
Yes. So.
How to don't subscribe. Don't subscribe to him if you don't like his stuff. Pretty much.
Well, yeah, but like also go subscribe right now. But it's funny because I actually met him last year. It's getting really loud, but I met him last year and we were hanging out for a little bit, and Ryan also, and Matt. I don't know if you met Matt actually. He was hanging out. I don't think you met Matt, no. And then I saw them at VidCon a couple times, and yeah, it's so ironic that we literally just ran into each other at the Grove after VidCon. So yeah. Wait, guys, we see two vloggers. We're gonna go after them right now. Okay, ready? They're walking so fast.
Don't you love vloggers?
I love seeing people vlog in public.
I find it, yeah.
It's so cool.
It's also fun to see people like try, like, you know, because like
me.
It's boring when people don't try.
Are you vlogging?
Yes. Join me in my vlog. Hi. What's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah. Nice to meet you.
Dog's so cute.
Pizza.
Pizza? Oh my god. That's so cute. Nice to meet you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's video.
Yeah.
It's literally 4 p.m.
I need to break the like.
I know. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's video. I actually don't even know if I ended the vlog yesterday, but I'm sorry. I'm gonna mash up like probably a few days of vlogs together just to just because some stuff like today I like obviously didn't really record anything just because it's been a lazy day. So we're gonna go just down, you know, Hollywood, walk around, record some stuff, maybe do a photo shoot or something. All right, what are we doing?
We're going to the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Yeah, so we're gonna Walk of Fame.
With our crab.
And people, I kind of want to get something to eat really bad. And people are saying like, oh, we can go to the Museum of Death. Not to eat, but like also afterwards.
I'm not vlogging.
Guys, so we're still in Hollywood. We're at a Halloween store right now. We're just testing out the props, you know. So we're at the W, making W. No.
Of course, unless you ask Jake.
Hey guys, welcome back. No. Okay, so we're gonna walk back to the house and then we're probably gonna get some sushi. There's a sushi place right next to where we are. And it's all you can eat sushi place. So I'm definitely gonna get that. Because most of us here like sushi and we've been wanting to try it. So yeah, we're just going to walk over there now.
Oofda!
And yeah, we'll catch you guys in a second.
I'm sorry, Chris, you're recording.
Oofda!
It's fine. The more interesting stuff, the better.
To contextualize you guys, oofda is a Minnesota phrase. Please use it anywhere you can. It's an exclamatory
Oh, I never
phrase.
heard of it.
Basically, like instead of saying like, dang, that's heavy, you say, oofda, that's heavy.
Oh, I see.
Oofda, I went a long ways. You exclaim it. Oofda.
Do I smell weed?
Yes.
Oofda. I don't think I showed you the lobby of this place. So when you walk in, it looks pretty bougie. There's a fireplace right here. There's a very nice art. There's
calling us art, Chris.
yeah, you're welcome. No, it's cool though. Like you're right here.
Does anyone want to tell Amber?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I just wanted to vlog. We're at sushi right now. I got all you can eat sushi. I don't know if you can hear me, but I got all you can eat sushi. I'm living right now. Hey guys. So we got the all you can eat sushi, both of us. There's a problem though. Whatever you don't eat, you have to pay. And we're both like very full right now. There's still a lot left over. We are so lucky. They didn't make us pay.
Oh, they were lucky.
They didn't make us pay. We're like bummed.
Yeah, some places they're generally pretty cool about it.
They were nice. So, oh my god, I'm so full. I'm never getting all you can eat sushi again. But yeah, so guys, come to Hollywood Sushi, all you can eat. But just don't get all you can eat. Just don't. Or if you do, order like 2 rolls per round maybe. You know, we ordered like 5 rolls per round. And we lasted 2 rounds, so yeah. Instead of coal, Santa now gives the bad children a ball of earwax and toenail clipping.
Hope they're not Santas.
All 3 are his.
Oh, damn it.
Instead of coal, Santa now gives the bad children all of this blood. Instead of coal, Santa now gives the bad children scrotal frostbite. Good afternoon, everyone.
It's so loud with the
To another, I know it is very, very loud, but welcome to another vlog. I am wearing the same shirt as yesterday, if you've noticed, because I did not change. Just been lazy today, but we're on our way to Starbucks right now. Gonna get something to drink. Hey guys, okay, so I have actually good news. I'm staying an extra day, and I did not know that. Oh, I didn't tell you?
No, you didn't.
Oh, I told you, sorry. I thought I was leaving Thursday morning for Long Beach. I'm leaving Friday morning. I did not know that.
We're so excited. I'm kidding.
I just got off the phone with my dad, and I literally thought I was leaving Thursday morning. I was telling him about it, and he was like, oh yeah, we're leaving Friday morning. So I was like, Thank God I didn't leave tomorrow morning.
I want to vlog.
So we're taking an Uber.
Uber XL.
Uber XL, yeah.
First
Because you know
time.
that LA life. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're taking an Uber to Earth Cafe, my favorite spot. One of my favorite spots. It's so amazing.
Never tried it.
And then, so it's Uber's like a minute away. I like living on the street.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I'm living right next door.
Yeah, we're all like yeah. Hey, we just got here. Oh wow, that was like a club up there or something like that. Earth's over here. Food just came. This is the portobello mushroom panini, and just a salad that it came with. Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Oh my god, really? What's your name? I was literally vlogging right now.
Brandon.
I was starting to vlog,
Maybe you should
yeah.
have vlogged finding your new vlog.
Oh, I know. I just like networked with somebody who was vlogging. That's so funny. We're leaving Earth Cafe right now. This place is amazing. If you guys ever come to LA, go to Earth Cafe. It's freaking amazing.
The Target that's
That was so
nearby.
cool. I just saw a vlogger inside.
That was rad.
That was so cool. Yeah, I saw her. She had a G7X, and I was like, "Are you a vlogger?" She's like, "Yeah." And then I got her information.
Nice.
And
It's like unexpected
information, and that place looks like poppin'. Look.
I know.
Oh, it's like a furniture store too. No, it looks like, look, they're like actually selling furniture in there. Look at that.
What?
Right? Doesn't it kind of look like it?
It does look like it.
Sorry, my life. It's rad.
But it also looks like a club. Hey, okay, so.
See, I like yours. It looks
double
so
vlog.
real.
Aw.
Mine looks so fake.
So we're at Target. We're just checking out. You know, I didn't get anything. This hair has been annoying me for the past week.
It's been what?
Raspberries are on sale right now.
Okay, I'm gonna make some tea right now because I think we're gonna be playing games a little bit, and I wanna
You want some tea?
want some tea. Yeah. What tea do we have to choose from? Oh my god, we have matcha tea. I love matcha tea. I like. Already want that. Earl Grey. Lots of matcha. What's this? I'm gonna need some sugar. No, it's so weird having an Airbnb. Like, I don't like, this is all someone else's. You know what I mean? I do need some sugar. Ooh, what is this? Organic sugar. Hell yeah. I think we do have some almond milk. Yes. Okay. I've never made tea in a teapot before, so that'll be really exciting. I'm gonna put the kettle on, you know? How do you... There's no way that's the only way to fill up the water. That's fine. Sorry.
No, we haven't played yet.
Is this clean? I like both. I like coffee and tea, but I like coffee more.
I love how you're saying coffee. I can never tell the difference when you're...
Now we need a cup. Where's the teacups? Ooh.
I tuned in at the wrong time, didn't I?
No. Guess what I hear?
I think it stops whistling.
So it's done? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. I've never made tea in a kettle, and I'm really excited.
Mom, we're in the house now.
Tea in a kettle.
Okay, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna try it, and if it's good, then I'm good. If it's not, then maybe add a little more sugar. But it's gonna be also really hot, so. It's very hot, but it is so good. Oh my god. Wow. No more sugar. It's pretty sweet, but okay.